Good morning, everyone. This is your favorite hiker once again. Sunday, the 26th. It's 9:45. Here's the current situation right here at the Hermits Peak trail. I'm gonna just go as far as I can. It's really bad. The wind is really bad. Really bad. But as you can see, there's a bunch of trees that the wind through. I'm just gonna go as far as I can and then I'll turn back. But as you can see, that tree right there was uprooted. There's another one right up there. Really bad wind. A lot of wood though. I brought my dog with me. The campground area is closed, so I'll try and see what distance I do today, but I don't plan on going too far. I'm gonna take a zero tomorrow and just kick it. Today I'm gonna go as far as I can. It's been about a month, I guess, that I was here. I went all the way to the top. Well, that wind is strong and cold. Tiger, come on, let's go. Saw a guy down there cutting trees that were on the road. He said the wind is worse up here. And you can hear it. And shut down here so I can concentrate on these trees. I'll report as I go along. Until then, amigos, hope you guys had a happy holiday, Christmas. Safe one. Here's the sun right there. Until then, amigos, I'll catch you in the next segment. Adios. I've gone in about maybe half an hour. And then it's just ridiculous. It's so windy. Just look at the trees, how they're moving. I think I've seen maybe about 15 trees that are uprooted. So I'm just going to go maybe half an hour and then I'm turning back. It is so crazy up here. It's stronger up here. The wind is stronger up here. I'm just trying to keep my eyes peeled for these 60-foot trees, 50, 40-foot trees. I mean, just look at the way they move. It's so crazy. That wind is so strong. And then the season hasn't helped at all. It's been dry. We haven't had any moisture, so it's so crazy up here. And look at how those trees move. Don't take much for those trees to get uprooted. There's that view of Hermits Peak right up there. But there's another opening there. Oh God, it's windy. Step down. These trees. Until then, talk to you guys later. Adios. There's a peak right there. It's not so bad up here. It's still windy, but not as bad as down there. I mean, there's I think I could monitor the trees here if they fall, but over there, they're yeah, that's a good idea. See how far I can get. I'm trying to do it for the last 2.5 miles in and call it quits. It's windy. Beautiful peak. We need a moisture. We don't have any moisture at all. If the wind wouldn't be so bad, it'd be a beautiful day. But it hasn't slowed down. This is so beautiful. Protected, but I can still feel it a little bit. Until then, amigos, catch you on the next segment. Adios. I've done 3/4 of the trail already, but as you can see, look these up. The trees are all over. I mean, look at this one right there on the main trail right there. Down there. So, I think I already did the hardest part. I mean, I'm so close to the peak right there. Maybe an hour more. But it's too windy. I already did the hardest part anyway, so I'll get my mileage when I do get down to the track. But oh god, it's so windy up here. It's crazy. But this is my middle point right here where this big rock is. This is like halfways. Just a little over halfways. But it's so windy. But so beautiful up here, but it's windy, windy, windy. Until then, amigos, I'll catch you guys later. Adios. Well, this concludes my my hike for the day. What a dangerous hike it was. I mean, the winds, all the down trees, and I was just afraid that one of those big trees would come down on me. But well, I did 5 miles round trip. And I'm glad no tree fell on my trip. So until then, I thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and be safe out there. Adios. Adios, amigos.